Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sauce for fruit salad using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: plain yogurt, honey, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This simple combination creates a light and refreshing dressing that complements any fruit. It's perfect for a quick snack or a delightful dessert, adding a creamy texture without overpowering the natural fruit flavors. Get ready to transform your fruit salad. To begin, measure out 1 cup of plain yogurt into a mixing bowl. Greek yogurt works wonderfully for a thicker consistency, but any plain yogurt will do. Next, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of honey. Adjust this amount to your preference, adding more if you like a sweeter sauce. Finally, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavors and adds a lovely tang, balancing the sweetness perfectly. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, whisk them together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and well combined. You want a consistent, creamy texture without any lumps. Now, taste the sauce and adjust it to your liking. You might want a little more honey for sweetness or an extra splash of lime for more tang. For variations, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of ground cinnamon for a warm note. Your delicious fruit salad sauce is now ready. Gently pour it over your prepared fruit salad just before serving to ensure the fruit stays fresh and vibrant. If you have any leftover sauce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready for your next fruit creation. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly dressed fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.